What's up everyone? Chris with Elevation Construction. I am on site in Conroe, Texas, just outside of Conroe, kind of in the rural area of Conroe, outside city limits. We're here because we are doing some due diligence for a client on doing a new build construction in on this land that they're looking to purchase. So the first thing that needs to be done, one, we did some due diligence with the county just to make sure there's things that we could do, like can we build a septic system in here, just to make sure that the county is okay with a house being built here. Even though there's an existing structure before, doesn't mean that the county still doesn't have some guidelines. So we checked with the county, we checked with the permitting office and with the floodplain office. Both said, hey, you're good to go. You can build a septic and a well, things like that. So we went through that. The next step was what we did today, and that is a soil sample. And let me show you where we dug for the soil sample. So I'll show you first where the location of the house is going to be, and you can see it in here. There is a stake with a yellow ribbon on it right there. And so what we want to do, we got 2 holes drilled for the soil sample. This was the second sample that we dug, and when they dug, they hit water at about 16 feet below. So as soon as they hit the water at 16 feet, water started gushing up. So this is just going to tell us the type of foundation that we can actually use and build, just to make sure things are sturdy. If you're working with a contractor for a new construction and they're not doing a soil sample, or you don't have a soil sample at all for your property, you need to get one, because that's going to tell you what type of foundation to have, how far you need to dig, things like that. Because if you don't have a solid foundation, you're not going to have a good house. Here's the second hole that was built, or excuse me, dug today. Actually, no, this was the first one. The second one is over there. This one here, so we got water. You get that burnt area here. This is obviously going to be all taken away. But on the other side of that, you got water. Let's walk over here. And because we are close to the water, it was easy to assume that there's going to be water somewhere in the ground. So you got water here, goes all the way around over here. So this is really surrounded by water. And the first hole was dug right here. And in this hole, they hit water at about 13 feet. So why is this important? Well, this, like I said, it's going to tell us what kind of foundation we should have. The other part is, like, this is in a floodplain, so we got an elevation certificate telling us, you know, where the elevation where the floods and stuff would happen. And what the county is requiring us is that we need to be 1 foot above that elevation requirement with the county. So what we found out with the county is that as we're building, we're going to have to do a series of 3 elevation certificates to confirm and make sure that when we are building, we are in compliance with the county regulations. So anyway, doing a new construction is just not laying down a slab of concrete and building something on top of it. There's a lot more to it. There's a lot of due diligence at the beginning before you even start building. So if you're working with a contractor, you're wanting to do a brand new construction house, these are the things that need to be done prior to any kind of building. We haven't even, we got an idea what the house they want, the picture and the kind of the layout, but we haven't had the architect build them out just yet on blueprint, because we want to make sure that all this stuff is handled first and we still have an area of land where we can build a house. So anyway, this is the kind of stuff we can do here in Texas for you. In the greater Houston area, just outside of Houston, we can help you out with your new construction. We can help you out with your kitchen remodels, bathroom remodels, new addition to your house, things like that. Big projects like that, give us a call. Actually, check out our website, at elevationconstructionteam.com, and you can see all the work that we do here in Houston and also Washington State, just outside of Tacoma and Bremerton area, and Seattle. Check out the work that we do up there as well. All right, see you next time.